Whether you want to build a business website, a portfolio, a landing page, or even a personal website, this method works for all of them. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Claude AI. Now, click New Chat on the left-hand side to start a fresh conversation. Before asking Claude to create a website, it's important to give it a detailed prompt. The more information you provide, the better your website will be. In my case, I'm going to type, create a modern, responsive website for a digital marketing agency. Include a navigation bar, hero section, about section, services, testimonials, pricing, contact form, and footer. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with a clean, modern design. Once you've typed your prompt, press Enter on your keyboard. Now Claude will begin generating the complete website for you. Depending on how detailed your request is, this may take a few seconds. As you can see, Claude isn't just writing text, it's generating the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript needed for the website. Once the generation is complete, you'll notice that Claude has created an artifact. This is one of Claude's most useful features because it lets you preview your project directly inside the browser without downloading anything. Go ahead and click on the generated artifact. The website will now open in the preview window. You can scroll through the page just like a real website to see how everything looks. Check the navigation bar, hero section, service cards, testimonials, pricing section, contact form, and footer to make sure everything is working correctly. If you think something doesn't look the way you want, you don't have to start over. Simply return to the chat below the preview. For example, if you want the website to use different colors, add another section, improve the layout, and make the design more modern, just type your request naturally in the chat box and press Enter. Claude will understand your instructions and automatically update the website. After a few seconds, the preview refreshes with the new changes, so you can instantly see the updated design. One of the biggest advantages of Claude AI is that you can continue improving the same project without rewriting everything from scratch. You can keep chatting with Claude until you're completely satisfied with the final design. Once your website looks the way you want, you'll probably want to save it so you can use it outside of Claude. To do that, click the Download button at the top of the artifact window if it's available. Claude will download the project files to your computer. If you don't see a download option, simply copy the generated code and paste it into a code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. If Claude generated separate files, save them as index.html, style.css, and script.js. After saving the files, open the folder where they're stored and double-click index.html. Your default web browser will open, and you'll see your website running locally on your computer exactly as Claude created it. At this point, you can continue editing the project whenever you like. If you want to add more pages, improve the design, include animations, optimize it for mobile devices, or even convert it into a complete business website, simply return to Claude, describe the changes you want, and let Claude update the project for you. That's how easy it is to create a professional website using Claude AI, even if you've never written a single line of code.